Got to tell you a story, tell you a story. Lean on me, y'all. All right, so if you need any help, you can lean on Coach Willis. Lean on me. I got you. Okay. All right, so into what we got today. Today is Wednesday, September 9th, 2020. Okay. Yesterday we talked about real numbers, their sets and subsets. Okay. Visual representation, Venn diagram. Okay. Today is a little something different. Okay. What is the process for converting between standard decimal notation and scientific notation? Okay, that's our essential question. LO, students will be able to convert between standard decimal notation and scientific notation. DOL, given 4 problems, students will be able to convert between standard decimal notation and scientific notation with 75% accuracy. Okay, so what we basically are doing today is one half of it. Tomorrow is the other half. Today we're just going from regular notation to scientific notation. And regular notation is just the way that we write our numbers. So, example, 208 million is written 208 dash 00. That right there. Scientific notation is basically putting in a scientific format times 10 to some kind of power. Okay, we're gonna get into that. All right. So, when we're going from regular notation to scientific notation, we have to be careful because we have to look at where the decimal is. Anytime we do move in decimal, we have to make sure we got to understand where the decimal is at first. Okay? So, for example, we have 420,000. Okay, we want that in scientific notation. Okay? We will start where the decimal is. Okay? So, I'll rewrite this up here for y'all. Hopefully it's not too ugly. So basically, you may not see it. You may not see it on your paper. You may not see it anywhere. But after a whole number, it's always a decimal. Okay, the decimal is after the whole number. So we want to start from the decimal. Okay. You don't mind if I do this in a different color? Okay. Start from the decimal. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. It's 5 places. Mr. Willis, Coach Willis, why did you not go past the 4? Okay, why did you go right between the 4 and the 2? Well, we don't want for scientific notation. You need a whole number in front, and you need at least one place after. Okay, we don't need 2 places. We just need at least one place. Okay, so 4.2 will be a single place. 4.2.0 will be 2 places. We don't need that. Okay, and 0.4. If I would have went, let's say if I would have went. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then does that say 420,000? No, it says point. Okay, we don't want that. We're trying to relate scientific notation to the regular notation. Right? So this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. Okay, so you would then write 4.2 times 10 to the 5th. Okay? Anybody know something about the exponent? Is it positive or negative? It's positive. Okay? Because when we go on regular notation, when we move to the left, it will be positive. Okay? Now this is regular notation to scientific notation. Just remember that. Okay? Just remember that. All right? So over here, you can put 4.2 10 to the 5th, right? All right. So essentially, it's the same thing right here to the 8th power. Now let's move to you have a decimal already there. Okay, you already have a decimal there. Okay, let's start off with this one. 0.0086. Okay. Now notice something. The decimal is not at the end, it's actually at the beginning. Okay? So we can't go to the left anymore. We have to go what direction? To the right. Okay? So 1, 2, 3. Okay? Mr. Willis, why you go to 89.7? Why you go to 897. But what I tell you last point, we have to have at least one whole number with at least one place. Okay, so we ended 1, 2, 3. That's 8.97 times 10. Sorry about that, guys. Times 10. Now, 1, 2, 3. Is that gonna be a positive 3 or a negative 3? Take some time to think about it. If I went left for positive, now I'm going to the right. Going to the right should be negative. Okay? Negative. Negative. Okay? So this will be a negative 3. And essentially, when you do put this right here, now we can actually work backwards. Okay? So if you don't believe Mr. Willis, you think Mr. Willis is lying, think Coach Willis is lying, I don't believe him, I don't know. Let's work it out. Let's check. Okay? So let's start from here. Okay? Alright. And if we start here, what we learned, we have to be at the decimal point, right? So let's try 1, 2, 3. Is it the same thing? Yes. Okay. So that's how you keep them check. I'm kind of jumping ahead though. That's tomorrow's lesson. Make sure you count that. All right. So I think some time to just look at that before we have to the next activity. Okay. Let's go ahead and do the next two. Okay, I'll do the next two for you real quick. This is the I do. Alright, so we have this number right here. Notice that the decimal is at the end. Alright. So now we have to move what way? To the left. And you know that's going to be positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. So 7.35 times 10 to the 8th power. Okay. You start at wherever the decimal is at, okay? The decimal being placed is going to tell you where you go left. Alright. Okay, next example. We're on green. Money green, right? Money green. Let's go here. We're going to do this last one right here. How many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14, right? Okay? Sometimes zeros can get tricky, especially in the eyes. Alright, so let's start the decimal. Okay? Let's start. Let's count together. Y'all ready? Okay, start the decimal. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we do another one. Do I stop? No, I like to go. 6. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, we stop because we have a whole number and we have one place there. Okay. So this would be actually 1.4. We went to the right, so the right is negative. Times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Negative 6. Okay. So remember, these rules are for regular notation to scientific notation. Okay. And if you tomorrow when we go into it, you just flip them. Okay. You just flip it. Okay. Scientific to regular notation. All right. I'm gonna pause the video or stop the video, and you go ahead and work on your we do. I'm gonna open the Zoom live, the chat up. So if you have any questions, just visit me in there. I'll be able to help you. Thank you.